Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create private label product listing on Shopify. First, open the Shopify admin website on a web browser. Make sure to log into your account. In the left panel, click the Add Apps tab. Now, click the Shopify App Store option at the bottom. Here, search for private label in the search bar to find it. It'll show you various apps related to your search. Next, select the Blanca Makeup Beauty Cosmetics app from the given options. After that, click the Install button to get started. Hit Install again to give it access to your personal details. You can continue with Google to assign into your account. Then, choose your Google account to continue. Once logged in, select the option that describes you best. Pick your plan, so click Get Started in the free plan. Following that, click Shopify and it directs you to the store. After connecting successfully, you can build a product line. Lastly, add a product in the Products tab on your store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.